Hey y'all see me? I'm back. Hey. If you guys like to know how I get my hair like this, weave or wig, stay tuned.
Froze. I got my necklace on froze, both of my ears on froze. I been getting faded, I'm sipping on maple. If she won't, I won't make her.
Poppin' YouTube, it's your girl T. Welcome to T-Boo, and I hope you enjoy your stay. Period. Y'all, hold up. We hit 1.1K. 1.1K. Y'all better go ahead with y'all bad self. Like what? Oh my. 1.1? Y'all subscribe to my channel like that. Y'all wanna see me? Quickly say thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys for checking out my prom video. Not only check out my prom video, but make sure y'all check out the rest of my videos. Get this channel popping, period. Like, I'm very thankful for that. Like, it really just blew up. 2 months ago, I had 200 subscribers, and now I got 1.1K. I'm so thankful because I like recording, and I like being creative and editing and stuff. That's all fun to me. So to see that people enjoy my editing, enjoy my video, enjoy my prom video, enjoy my other videos, like, that's amazing. And I'm happy.
Boy, if you don't...
Let's get on into what we're doing in this video today. Today is a highly requested video. A lot of people from my school wanted to know how I deal with my little curly wig. It's the wig right here, y'all. If y'all watch my birthday video, Valentine's Day video, y'all know about this wig. Let's get right into the video. Okay, y'all, so I finally got a wig cap because a lot of y'all pointed out the fact that I didn't have a wig cap in my Valentine's Day video of me putting on my wig. But yeah, I got a wig cap now. So when you apply your wig, or if you haven't weave, either way, you can either choose to glue down your frontal or not. I chose not to for the sake of this video. So to do this, you're going to obviously need water. You're going to need a white tooth comb to comb it out. I also use a weave brush, some mousse or wave whip, whatever you want to call it, and a nice light leave-in conditioner. So we're going to start with splitting your hair down the middle, tying up the other side, and you're just going to start applying water from the ends to the roots of your hair. You're going to comb it out from the ends to the roots like you would normally do your natural hair, and apply water each time. Usually once I'm done detangling with my white tooth comb, I go in with my weave brush. Sometimes I feel like with curly hair, a weave brush gives it a look, it gives it a wave. It works as like a detangling brush on natural hair. So yeah. Then you're going to grab your mousse, put it in your hand, and then apply it to your hair. This helps preserve the curls. This helps give it a bounce. This also helps give it a shine. And the leave-in conditioner also gives it a shine. Both products make it last longer. Make sure your hair lasts longer throughout the day. Next, I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side. After you're done, you want to get your foam and do your baby hairs. Do them how you like. Don't pull out hair that's not baby hair. If it's too long, make sure you cut it. And make sure you wrap it up to set it. I didn't do that for the sake of this video, but normally I would. After this, I normally just rake it out with my hand, just to give it a little more volume. To keep my wig nice, to keep the curls nice, I twist my hair up every night. I twist the wig hair up every night. I put it on this vase because I don't have a wig head. Don't get on me, but it works. So yeah. Hey you guys, I'm back from school. This is how my hair looks after a long day of school. My curls are still there. They're still popping. Period. Popping. This is how it looks. Period. Still popping. Still there. Stiff wear. Stiff wear. Oh, alright. Okay. Thank you guys for tuning into this video, this little tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay. Comment down below some suggestions on videos y'all would like me to do. I do already have 2 coming up planned, but I need some more. We didn't hit 1.1K, baby. 1.1K. So I'm gonna have to be consistent, but to be consistent, I have to have these ideas. And baby, these ideas, they be coming and going, baby girl. So y'all help me out. Comment down below some things you would like to see me do. It's wig season for me. So if y'all benders out there, y'all want to send me some hair, send me a wig, I'm open for that. I would really love that. Sponsor me. Period. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. Bye. Pow. Wait. Pow, pow.